Ever wish you had a simple way to stay organized? Smartsheet.com helps you track projects, manage tasks, and work together with your team, all in one place. It's like a superpower for your to-do lists. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay on top of everything. So hello guys, I hope everything is doing well firstly, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. Right? So Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that helps you organize and manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big projects, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines all in one place. Perfect for getting things done and working together smoothly. All I have to do right now is just diving into smartsheet.com and you'll find these pages you can see. So here we have a various things that could help you to know more about smartsheet.com. So for example, you have your work management that adapts to your needs. You click over try Smartsheet for free and you get started and you will find a page which is this one. You have just to enter your email address and you click over to continue. Then you will find a page which is this one as you can see. But before you have to once you click over continue, it will be appear here what other schedule and you have to link the files by your name, your phone number, and you select also here your continent, and then you click over continue. Also, we have here our privacy notice. You can just click over it and you will know more and more. So once you do that, you'll find a page which is this one. We have please check your inbox. To activate your account, you have to confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to you. So you have just to go to your Gmail and then you click over confirm email, and here we have the email that we receive from Smartsheet. I have just to click over here and this files below or this button below. Once you do that, you will find a page which is this one. You have let's keep your account more secure. You have just to create a password, then you confirm the password by retyping it here. Sorry, you have to confirm your password by retyping it here, and then you have to click over here if you are agreed to the Smartsheet user agreement. Here we have it, and also we have privacy policy, and you click over next. Then you'll find this page which is the home page. So to use Smartsheet, you have just to start by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or projects. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timelines to track progress. You can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, adding comments, and getting real-time updates. Plus, Smartsheet lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently, right? So what we have here in the left are various options that could help you in the home page, such as the home. We have here notification. We have also here search, browse. Then we have here recent, favorite, resource management, work application. Then we have start a new product program. Then we have here launcher, help, and here we have my profile. I will show you which one we will discover. So we will discover firstly here browse, then we will discover also here we have resource management, then we discover start a new product program. So we just discovered these three options because this is the one which is important. About notification, you know what is it, about search, you know what is it, how does to search, about also here this recent as well, favorite is not important. So right now I have just to click over here and we have the browse. About this one, you'll find here those options that could help you if you want to get started and you start creating. If you want to start creating a sheets, you click over sheets and you click over create in the top right, and you choose here for a create task list, product, cards, browse templates. And if you want to import Microsoft Excel, if you want to import also Microsoft Project, import from Google Sheets, import from Atlassian Trello, right? Then we have here workspaces. About this one, you'll find also here in the top right the button of creating. You start here creating the one you want, and also we have new workspace. For this one, we have also the button of share if you want to copy the link as well, and then we have if we want to add a comment or view summary list of comments. Then we have here if we want to start creating, and that's it about this one. Then we have here delete items as well, and that's it for this option, which is the browser. So then we have here also resource management. About this one, you will find this page which is resource management. You have here resource planning for every level of your organization. About this one, you will find here balance workloads, track time with ease, forecast with confidence. You have just to click over request free trial and you'll find a page when where we have to add your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and here we have to select your timeline for employment resource. If it's 1 month, you click over immediately, 3 month, 6 month, and we have here other options. So then we have here what's your biggest challenge with managing resource. You have to type it here and then you click over submit and you get started with this one. Then we have also here other options, which is work application. About this one, we find here just the application. It will be appear here if you already did or create application. So we have also here, if you want to start a new project, here we have the important one. You have just to start with a popular template such as projects, request management, business, budget management, or you can just start from scratch. So let's just give it a try with one of popular template and one with start from scratch. I will select, for example, project, and I will click over create from template, and let's wait for it, and you will find a page which is this one. So let's just waiting for. And here we have it. As you can see, you will find here various things that could help you if you start with a popular template. All right, so about this one, here we have it. We have already some files is completed. For example, we have new product design, relocate equipment, user group, and we have research new resource management solution. So we have just to modify these files and you put yours and you modify whatever you want. Also, we have your project portfolios, reports, and we have here project templates as well, and you get started by clicking over share and you share your template after you choose the one you want, after you modify the other things. Also, if you want to add something, click over here. If you want to add a sheet, if you want to add a report, dashboard, folder, if you want to import as well, and we have here workspace, new product or progress. So this is for the popular one. Right now, let's just discover another one which is start from scratch. You have just to back to templates right there, and you have to click over back to create, and then you start from scratch by clicking over the one you want. For example, if I want a guided product setup, workspace, import, work application as well. For example, I will select this one as an example. Then I will just write my project name. I will select if I want to grade and the part I want to board. Then I will click over next to build spreadsheet. So you have just to here complete those files, or you can just skip step if you don't like. And then we have next a dashboard, build project, and then we have here building your product successfully, and you'll find other page which is this one. So we have how you can get started from scratch and you add whatever you want. Here we have the first task one, and we have here add more. As you can see, we have also board switch if you want to here create Gantt card calendar. We have here one the option of endo radar if you did a mistake, and also we have here status. We have also switch higher currency, and we have change view density and the various things that could help you. You can just get started and then you click over share once you're done. So this is it how you can use Smartsheet, and it's very helpful and useful to use this platform. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope everything is doing well, and I hope you have get the process from this video. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope everything's doing well again, and that's it for this video. See you again in the next video again.